So this is our chesty or a chest harness. We use it basically in a lot of extreme sports, for example, parasailing, downhill biking, cliff jumping, cliff diving, basically a lot of things that really need a different perspective. So basically how you use it is there's a clip on the side. You open the clip, you stick one arm in, and your head goes through these two flaps. After it's on, you just bring the clip around, straighten it out. Okay, and then you can put the AE Magic Cam onto the mount. Remember to slit this into the slot. That'll prevent the bracket from sliding out. And you can adjust it as well, like this. Just make sure it's secure but still comfortable. So now that it's just adjusted, you start using it.